finding your niche. It's something every creative hears at some point. Focus on one specific thing, they say, and that's how you're going to become successful. But what if you have multiple passions and skills? Can you still carve out a unique space for yourself? My name's Russ, and I've been on this journey for a while now. I'm a graphic designer, a screen printer, and I run my own clothing brand. It's a lot, but it's what I do. And today, I want to share my story with you. When I first started, I felt this immense pressure to fit into a single box. Everyone around me seemed like they figured it out. They were either doing design tutorials, sharing printing techniques, or giving business advice. I was torn. Should I just choose one path too? Would spreading myself across different areas hold me back? But then, a realization struck. My strength lies in my versatility. Being a graphic designer helps me create unique visuals. Screen printing allows me to bring those designs to life. And running the brand lets me share these creations with the world. I feel like each aspect feeds into the other. It creates a cycle of creativity. So this led me to an important question. Should I be a teacher and do tutorials too? Or would it be okay to do something that I want to do, like maybe discuss the mental struggles of being a creative? And I think the answer became clear. Why not both? Combining these elements allows me to connect with different parts of my audience. Tutorials, they can provide valuable skills and insights for those looking to learn. Sharing my struggles and experiences, maybe that can resonate with someone out there on a similar journey. Offer them a little support, maybe a little inspiration. At the end of the day, I think it's about authenticity. If you're passionate about multiple things, I don't feel like you have to limit yourself. Share your journey in a way that feels true to you. It might not fit into a little niche, but it will be real. And I think that's what matters most. So whether you're here for the tutorials, the business insights, or maybe just to hear some ups and downs of the creative life, I thank you for being a part of the journey. And if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, maybe hit the bell icons, and let me know in the comments. What's your take on finding a niche? Do you have multiple passions too? Thanks for watching, and remember, like always, stay creative.